Hello, today we're going to give you some tips on how to assemble this floating TV stand. But a couple reminders before we get started. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and optionally a flathead screwdriver. And just make sure everything's facing the right way when you're putting the piece together. And with that, let's get right into it.
Just a quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order.
So for steps 5 and 6, you want to make sure that both of pieces 5 and both of pieces 6 are on the same side. And when you're putting them in place, you want to make sure that these cam lock holes are facing outwards. So we go ahead and do that. And then we'll go ahead and put the cam locks in. And with cam locks, we find that a flathead screwdriver is a little bit easier to use than a Phillips head. It just gives you a little bit more torque. There we go. On step 7, we have piece 7, and you want to make sure that when you put this on, that these cam lock holes are facing this way. Then go ahead and put the cam locks in, and we'll move on. On steps 9 and 10, we have the parts that we just put together, and then we have piece 3 and piece 4. And for this step, we'll just tip this piece up to make it a little bit easier, and then we can just lean these up, and they should go right into their place. Just like that, and just like this. There we go, and then we'll tip it up, and then attach the cam bolts for the next step. All right, there we have it. Those are our tips on how to build this floating TV stand. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.